Welcome to World Coins Explorer, where we explore rare, historical, and fascinating coins from around the world. In today's video, we'll dive into the details of a very special and often misunderstood coin, the Saudi Arabian 50 Riyals coin, dated 1323 Hijri. This coin holds significant historical value and is deeply rooted in the heritage of Saudi Arabia. Many collectors are unaware of its background, importance, and real worth in today's numismatic market. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coin collector, this coin has something worth learning. So stay with us as we break down everything you need to know about the 1323 Hijri 50 Riyals coin. The 1323 Hijri date on this coin corresponds to the year 1905 CE in the Gregorian calendar. This period was a significant time in the Arabian Peninsula, marking the final years of the Ottoman influence and the rise of local powers. It was also a time of transformation before the establishment of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in 1932. Coins from this era, especially those issued in Hijri dates, reflect the cultural and political landscape of the time. The 50 Riyals denomination was quite large for its era, indicating that it was either a commemorative issue or a high-value trade coin. The design of the 50 Riyal Saudi coin is elegantly Islamic, featuring Arabic calligraphy that includes the denomination, 50 Riyals, and the Hijri year, 1323. The inscriptions typically include references to the custodian of the two holy mosques or ruling authority at the time. The calligraphy is highly stylized, surrounded by geometric or floral patterns, giving the coin a distinct and royal appearance. The craftsmanship is a reflection of Islamic artistry, where design is used to express both religious and national pride. Although exact composition details may vary depending on the mint or variant, many of the 50 Riyals coins from this period were made using silver or silver-plated alloys. These coins were large, with a diameter often around 35 to 40 millimeters and a substantial weight, making them feel very valuable in hand. The silver content adds to the coin's collectible appeal, especially in today's market where silver value fluctuates. Holding such a coin gives a tangible sense of wealth and authority, which was its intended impression at the time of issuance. Coins from the early 20th century Hijri calendar, especially with high denominations like 50 Riyals, are quite rare in good condition. Many were either melted down or lost during economic changes and wars. Today, collectors and historians alike prize such coins for their connection to pre-kingdom Saudi Arabia. Depending on its condition, this coin can be worth significantly more than face value. Uncirculated or well-preserved specimens can fetch high prices in auctions or online marketplaces. As of now, the 1323 Hijri 50 Riyals coin has a variable market value. A circulated coin may sell for around $50 to $100, while a coin in excellent condition could command upwards of $200 or more. Its value increases dramatically if it's part of a complete historical set or comes with authenticated documentation. Collectors interested in Middle Eastern coins or Islamic history often seek such coins for long-term investment due to their limited mintage and historical importance. If you're lucky enough to find this coin in your collection or possession, make sure to store it in a protective sleeve and avoid unnecessary handling. Authenticity is key. Counterfeit versions exist due to the coin's rising value. It's also recommended to consult a professional coin grading service if you plan to sell or auction the coin. Remember, these coins are not just currency, they are historical artifacts. As a collector or enthusiast, owning one connects you directly to a rich Islamic and Arabian legacy. The next Saudi Arabian coin, 100 Riyals, issued in 1308 Hijri, which corresponds to 1988. This coin holds significant historical and cultural value, and many collectors are unaware of its background, design features, and the hidden worth it might possess. Whether you are a coin enthusiast, a collector, or simply someone curious about world currencies, this video will give you all the real and detailed insights about this rarely discussed but important coin. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Coins Explorer for more amazing coin stories. The 100 Riyal coin issued in 1308 Hijri 1988 comes from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, a country that holds significant importance both economically and spiritually. The Islamic calendar year 1308 corresponds to the Gregorian year 1988, making this coin over 3 decades old. During this period, Saudi Arabia was experiencing growth in its infrastructure and global economic influence due to its vast oil reserves. The coin was minted during a time of national pride and reflects a blend of Islamic tradition and modern identity. Coins issued by the kingdom often bear elements of cultural heritage, royal symbolism, and Arabic calligraphy, and this one is no exception. The obverse of the coin is beautifully inscribed in Arabic, which translates to 100 halalas, equivalent to 1 riyal. However, this specific coin clearly states 100 riyals, which makes it stand out and confirms its high denomination. The coin also displays elegant Arabic calligraphy in the center, often including a circular arrangement of text that might contain religious or royal inscriptions, such as the Shahada, Islamic Declaration of Faith, or royal decrees. The Hijri year 1308 is clearly visible at the bottom in Arabic numerals. The calligraphy and design elements are not only artistic, but also deeply rooted in the Saudi cultural identity. This 100 Riyals coin is usually made from copper, nickel, or similar durable alloys, ensuring it withstands wear over time. It has a large diameter, typically around 40 millimeters, and a substantial weight, which gives it a significant feel in hand. The edge of the coin may be reeded or plain, depending on the specific minting batch. Due to its high denomination, the coin was not intended for regular circulation, but was more likely produced for commemorative or special purposes. The shiny, silver-like finish gives it a premium look, and many collectors admire its detailed craftsmanship and bold inscriptions. Saudi Arabian coins are known for embodying Islamic values and royal heritage, and the 1308-1988 100 Riyals coin is no exception. The Arabic inscriptions often include the name of the issuing authority, such as Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, along with Quranic phrases or the Shahada, making the coin not only a monetary object, but also a reflection of national and religious pride. For a Muslim-majority country, integrating Islamic calligraphy into coin design is both an aesthetic and spiritual choice. The presence of the Hijri year emphasizes Saudi Arabia's commitment to the Islamic calendar system in its official and monetary matters. Though this coin is not commonly seen in everyday circulation, it is highly regarded among numismatists and collectors of Islamic or